Today we are going to be working on the 240 shell again. I'm sure you guys can guess by this line here. We are going to be cutting out the rear quarter panels to fit Quentin's old overfenders onto. I'm going to be making a template of this line that I made. I'm pretty happy with this. Basically use it on both sides. I'm probably going to use a little bit of paint actually, and I'll just dust it over the top, and that'll give us a pretty good line to cut over. We've got our template made here. It's a little goofy, but it's gonna work. It's kind of like a quarter piece, and then we're gonna flip it over and we'll use it here.
Gotta make room for them Hot Boy wheels.
Big wheels.
When you get this thing super dirt nasty low. Dirt nasty low.
For the people who are gonna get upset about this nice clean body 240 getting like cut up, it currently has a junk title, so get over it. Make sure you wear your safety equipment. Everyone likes seeing, because seeing is believing.
This is the part of the show where we die.
Sometimes. Stop it! Ah! Damn it. You should really protect your glass when you cut your car up. Just so you know. You know, I'd argue that this is a respectful way of cutting up a decent car. I mean, we're doing a good job of ruining it. Thank you. Oh.
Wasted.
Yeah. Now we gotta stretch this bad boy all the way up here. We should go cut out the other side first, though. We're trying to protect the glass.
Finesse. That's called persuasive mechanics.
I like this. Alright, so I've got everything tacked back up. Looks pretty good. The car only caught on fire once, which is good. That's pretty good. So now I'm going to cut off the extra bits, and then I'm going to grind them down, and I'm going to get them looking like this. This way we'll have a nice open wheel well. There we have it. The 240 all cut up now. Got everything sealed off so that the weather shouldn't kill it for now. I do plan to seal off everything on the inside. I'll show you guys how to do that. Things are going pretty smooth, pretty steady with this car, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. In the next video where we work on the 240, we will be fixing up the whole body kit. I'm gonna fix up the overfenders. I'm gonna fix up the rear bumper, the side skirts, front bumper, all of it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do some more fiberglass work. We've showed it a couple of times on the channel, but we'll be showing that in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Quick little video of us chopping up the car again. It is what it is. Hopefully we'll get some better content for you guys coming soon once we get the garage cleared up. We're supposed to be painting the E30 today, so we'll see how that goes.
Dick.
Dick.
Are the front wheels supposed to stick out farther than the rear wheels?
Don't worry about it.